Good morning, dear students. I hope you all must have enjoyed your Ganpati holidays. And congratulations to you all for attending your first online assessment very successfully. Today in EVS 1, we are going to learn chapter number 6, Rules are for Everyone. We follow traffic rules so that traffic moves smoothly. Even at home or in school, we also follow some rules, such as we go in a line while boarding in the bus, school bus, or at home also while eating. We follow table manners and we also wash our hands before having our meal. If we follow the rules, our day to day life becomes disciplined. We can work more efficiently. Rules are meant for everybody. They apply equally to all. No one is above the rules. Disobeying the rules leads to punishment. There is no discrimination in punishments for breaking the rules. In this way, equality is the basis of rules. We make the rules ourselves. We follow these rules because they are meant for the common good. But our society works according to certain rules. There is a difference between the rules of society and the laws of nature. We cannot change the laws of nature, like the rising and setting of the sun. The change in the seasons never stop. The law of gravity does not change. The rising and falling of the tides and the phases of the moon. All of these things occur according to the laws of nature. Nature's laws are constant and fixed. They do not ever become outdated. However, human laws need to be changed with the changing conditions. The laws followed in India under the rule of British were different. When India gained independence, the situation changed and the laws of civic life changed accordingly. For example, after independence, the voting age was 21 years. After 1988, the voting age was lowered to 18 years. It means that young children who have completed their 18 age are eligible for voting. It is incorrect to discriminate between boys and girls. Discriminate means showing difference or differentiate between boys and girls. It is unjust to deprive girls of good food or to prevent them from going to school. Equality should be maintained in society and rules have to be made to ensure that no injustice is done. Our government has made some rules which we all must follow. Each rule has a specific purpose. Some rules have more than one purpose, such as no loudspeakers in public places after 10 o'clock at night, free primary education for boys and girls, throwing garbage or dumping garbage in the river is strictly prohibited, ban on child labor, ban on felling trees, hunting, and poaching. Poaching means illegal hunting. We follow many customs and traditions in our lives. We have accepted these all traditions from our parents and grandparents. Like we celebrate our festivals together. We welcome our guests who visit us and are hospitable to them. Many of our customs help us to maintain the balance of nature. We express our love and gratitude towards animals. Values like non-violence and peace have been a part of our social life since ancient times. But there are some traditions and customs that are not desirable. They are not beneficial for our society. For example, caste distinction means to show difference between caste. Some people, they believe their caste is higher and other people caste is lower. Child marriage, it means at the age of 6 or 7, children were getting married. Dowry system, it means father of a girl has to pay money to her in-laws at the time of marriage. Wrong customs and traditions cause the neglect of some sections of society. They have no access to education. Therefore, they do not get opportunities of the development. They have no means of livelihood. Therefore, they have to face poverty. Poverty and lack of education are the two big obstacles in our society. We can only make progress together if we get rid of these obstacles. Such unjust customs were abolished by the Constitution of Independent India. In our country, customs such as sati, child marriages were abolished by making laws that banned them. The law that banned the use of magic of cheating people was first enacted in Maharashtra, and receiving of a dowry has been banned by law. As laws are necessary to maintain equality and justice in society, in the same way, laws are also required for the protection of the environment. We are dependent on nature in many ways. Most of our needs are fulfilled by nature. Natural resources should be available in enough quantities for the needs of our future generations. Therefore, we must conserve these natural resources. We must use them very carefully. So, what we have learned today? Rules made for people are changed from time to time. Rules in the olden days were in the form of religious traditions and social customs. Laws are made to combat inhuman and undesirable traditions and customs. Dear students, you are going to make a list of the rules which you follow in the following situations at school. At the time of the school assembly, during the lunch break, on the playground, and in the school library. How do you follow the discipline? Make a list of it in your rough notebook. Till then, bye.